Our next competitor comes from Israel, 15-year-old Tamir KUPERMAN. Second Junior Grand Prix season, was 21st in Gdansk last year. There's a 43.31 personal best score in that competition. And you'll hope to top that score right now. Skating to You Raise Me Up by Josh Grobe. Well, another real fine performance by Tamir KUPERMAN of Israel. Great lift on the takeoffs, fast rotation in the air. Sometimes has an angle, but adapts easily and gets the skating foot, landing foot down on the ice nicely. Good skating skills and deep edges as well. Perhaps a little work on refinement, pointed toes, and a little bit better posture, things like that. That's just small details which will improve in time, but my gosh, this young man delivered what he can do in practice. He delivered here. So he should be, and I'm most certain will be, very happy with that performance as we take a look at the next skater just warming up while Tamir waits for his scores. And there is Jacob Sanchez from the United States. If we take a look at Tamir KUPERMAN from Israel in the kiss and cry, you have to come off the ice going, okay, that's a clean skate. That's all I can do. I have work to do yet to continue to improve, but week one of the Junior Grand Prix in August, so early in the season, that was a good skate. Personal best, 43.31. I think you'll see that score destroyed here by Tamir.
The scores, please.
A nice smile on his face, even waiting for the scores, and he's just hoping. There it is, 60.39. And he's pleased with the score. That'll put Tamir KUPERMAN of Israel currently in the 7th place. Great job. Good start to the competition.